Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. So in today's video, let us see how to prepare perfect potato fry for lunchbox. This is an amazing and everyone's favorite lunchbox recipe, that is potato fry. So let us see how to prepare this. So first here I have taken half a kg of potatoes. Now wash it nicely and peel it and put it aside. Now take a bowl filled with water and then take a chopping board and start cutting the potatoes into pieces like this. You need to cut the potatoes first in horizontal manner like this. There should be a thickness of this size. Now chop the potatoes into square pieces as shown here and then add it into the water immediately. If not, the potatoes color may change and doesn't come well for our potato fry. So as soon as you chop the potatoes, add into the water. Repeat the process for the remaining potatoes also. So once you're done with chopping the potatoes, you can observe that the water is not clear with the potatoes. Now wash it for 2 to 3 times. Then you can see that the water is a little bit clear but not perfectly clear. Now once again wash it. Now I have washed the potatoes for 4 times here, and now you can see the water is clear. That is, the starch in the potatoes has gone completely. Put the potatoes aside. Now take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of gingerly oil and 2 tablespoons of normal cooking oil, and add 4 green chili and 2 red chili and 8 garlic pods, and then cumin seeds and mustard seeds, and then allow them to splutter. Once they are done, you add, I have added here rock salt. You can add any salt of your taste, and then a pinch of turmeric, and then add the potatoes. You can see the potatoes are still clear, the water is still clear. That is, there is no starch left in the potatoes. This is when you will get perfect potato fry. The potatoes doesn't turn mushy and the potatoes will remain in pieces as you have chopped in the earlier. So this is the secret behind preparing perfect potato fry recipe. Now cook the potatoes on high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. You should continuously stir it for a while and then lower the flame and allow the potatoes to cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. Now you can observe that the potatoes have done lightly golden brown color. Now this is the time you just simmer it or put the flame on low and cook for another 1 minute, and that's it. Your potato fry is all done. You need not add chili powder here. So remember, that's it. Your perfect potato fry is all ready. If you follow these tips and if you see that there is no starch remained in the potatoes, and so you need to wash it properly, and that's how you won't turn the potato fry into a mushier one but a perfect texture like this. See, the square or the cube of the potato where I have cut earlier, it is same as that, but it's well cooked. So enjoy this recipe. Subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.